acting up. D-ho be acting up. D-ho be acting up. And D.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Franklin here, and I'm so much happy to have you around again today. So today, guys, we're going to be talking about how you can record a world-class audio sound on your phone. You understand? I'm going to be showing you guys how you can record a very clear, authentic audio sound on your phone. Let's say, for instance, you're making a video and you want your audio sound to be very clear or very heard. You're going to need to carry out some steps to make sure that the audio sound are exactly the way you want them to be. So today I'm going to tell you guys how you can make an audio recording on your phone that it will be very clear. So guys, we're going to be using a particular app today. There are numerous apps on Google Play Store that you can try out. Let's go to Google Play Store and search for voice recorders and see what you have. I believe there are numerous options here. I've already researched and I found a couple of them. Voice recorder, but I'll be telling you guys the best one. The one I feel is the best and the more comfortable to use for voice recording. So our advice, guys, when you want to record an audio, the phone recorder is not very nice. You understand? The normal phone recorder is not very nice, and it's not very okay to use in recording professional audios. So the app I'll show us today is the app I advise that we should use. Very easy to use. I'll show you how to use the app in a second. So these are the suggestions that Google Play Store gave us. This one I think is the normal. The first one I think is the normal a phone recorder. So these are just the options. There is the one we are going to be using is ASR voice recorder. This is it here. There's already on my home screen. ASR voice recorder. Let me search it here so you will see how you can look for it when you want to. ASR is a capital letter. Voice recorder. Okay, so that's it up there. ASR voice recorder. So guys, when you go to Google Play Store, just search ASR voice recorder and you install into your mobile phone. If you don't feel comfortable going through Google Play Store, you can download it through search Google, normal Google search. You will find out different options from different places, Softonic, APK Pure, and the rest of them. You can download the app from there. So guys, I'll open the app now and show us what the interface looks like. It's very easy to use, and I believe it's the best app you can use to record your audios on your phone. So when you first of all get into the app, this is what it looks like. You have the red button here at the middle, which is the start button. Immediately you touch it, it will start recording. And if you want to find the number of if you record now, it saves automatically into your phone, but you can find it on this app by going to this first three hamburger sign at the left end. So when you click it, these are the voice recordings I've made previously. I use it to do certain assignments or certain jobs. So those are the place. This is the place you find your previous work. So the second one, which looks like a microphone option. When you click it, you find these options here. So I advise that when you first of all, when you install the app, this one won't be off, this one won't be on. So you just turn it on so that it says keep recording if sound level of the surrounding is below. So if the sound level of the surrounding is too much and is obstructing your voice, it will skip the recording. It will stop the recording automatically. You understand? So So guys, when you're starting out, you don't have to worry about this option. The second option here, this is what you will see. So when you're starting out, you don't have to worry about this option because it's somehow complicated, and you won't be needing it at first. So what I think you should consider very well is the third one here, the third sign that seems parallel to each other, the third stripe sign. Yeah, this is the adjust gain of the recorder. So when you click this one, if you take it too high, that if you make it to be on the positive side too much, sorry, if you take it too high, the recording will be cracking. Let's record and see what we have. Hello, this unable to record microphone may be used for another record rejected. Sorry, let me rectify that issue. Okay, I can't record now because of I'm using the microphone to record for the screen recorder. So when you click this place, you make sure that the gain is at 0. If it is above 0, your voice, the audio will tend to be cracking, and if it's below 0, it won't be very nice. But if it's at 0, it's so perfect. Just try it out. So just leave it at 0. That's what you can see here. Gain 0 dB. The MP is recorded as MP3, and this is the limit that you can have. 0 at the end here on top. This is the limit you can have. Sorry. So the fourth one here is this one, the one that looks like a person. So this is the recording profile. You can just put your profile if you want to specify a particular recorder. Like if you want to get back, if you want to know that this is a recording for this particular profile, so that whenever you will come back to record, you can still add another recording to the profile. It's just more like segmenting your records. So you can just write your name here or any name at all, and then save this one, and you can get back to it later. So the fifth sign here is the one that looks like a cloud. This is for the cloud savings, in case you want to save your file and in the cloud. This is where you find them after saving them. So the fourth one here is the settings icon, where you find the general settings, recording settings, Wi-Fi settings, and the rest of them. So the general settings, you find different options here. Screen on, keep screen on while recording, yes. You want to select that one on. Dark appearance, this one gives your screen a different look. Yeah, sorry. So let's turn that back off. Alright, so you have alternate icon, useless visible notification indicator while recording. This is not necessary. So some other thing I want us to take note of is there's a place where you will see there's a place where it says shake to start. Okay, start recording as soon as. Now you don't want to turn this one off. So you also have to turn it on here to stop on call, so that whenever you have a call, the recording will stop automatically. Okay, yeah, look at this place down here. Whenever you create an account, whenever you install the app newly, this one will be turned on. So try to have it turned off. It says listen while recording. If you have it turned on, you'll be hearing what you're saying while you're recording it. If you like it that way, you can turn it on. If you don't like it that way, you can turn it off, and then you just speak, and later you can listen to what you said. But if you want to be hearing yourself while you're recording, you turn this one on. You understand? So I'll just leave it off for now. I prefer it that way. So when you're done with all these ground settings, remember, first thing you should do is to make sure that your gain is at 0, and you have to come into the recording and turn this one off, because it's going to be on. Turn this one off, and also turn this one on, so that whenever you have a call, the recording stops automatically. So as you're done with those, you just record immediately. So after recording it, you come here at the hamburger and you find a list of everything. So as soon as you record, any record you make saves in your phone automatically. You understand? Saves in your phone automatically. You don't need to start transferring it or something. Merely you record now, it saves in your phone automatically. I can't record now because I'm using my phone microphone to make a screen recording for this particular tutorial I'm doing now. So I can't record an audio now, so it's giving me some kind of rejection. So immediately you just download the app, it goes very well. So if you have any problem, just leave a comment in the comment section and I will attend to you immediately. So guys, thank you for watching, and I just want you to just have the most of everything you do. So I just suggest that you subscribe to my channel, so that whenever I put up any relevant content, which I'll be putting up every week or almost every day in the week, so that you guys will gain from it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.